Welcome back to EhtasCars. Today, we're breaking down the 2024 Infiniti QX55. From its dashing exterior styling to its impressive standard features and performance, we've got everything you need to know. Let's dive in. So, what's new for 2024? Infiniti has made some notable updates. They've swapped the leather-covered shift knob for a flat, rectangular plastic shifter, like the one found in the larger QX60. The sliding plastic cover on the center console is gone, revealing the cup holders and the now standard wireless phone charger. Plus, there's a new optional chrome 20-inch wheel design. For 2024, Slate Gray is no longer available on the Luxe and Essential trims, and Mineral Black is gone from the Sensory. But new features like the rear door alert and memory settings for the driver's seat and mirrors on the base, Luxe make up for it. The 2024 QX55 starts at $51,500 and can go up to $60,000, depending on the trim and options. It comes in 3 trims: Luxe, Essential, and Sensory. The Essential trim is the sweet spot, offering in-dash navigation, a 360-degree camera system, heated and cooled front seats, a heated steering wheel, and a 16-speaker Bose stereo system. Under the hood, the QX55 features a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 268 horsepower. It's paired with a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, and standard all-wheel drive. While it may not be as athletic as its German rivals, it offers a smooth ride perfect for quiet commuting. That's your quick guide to the 2024 Infiniti QX55. Stylish, well-equipped, and comfortable, it's a solid choice for those looking for luxury with decent performance. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car reviews from EhtasCars. See you next time.